Here's how to connect LinkedIn ads to Claude for powerful ad performance analysis. I'll grab the MCP server URL from InsightfulPipe. In Claude settings, I'll navigate to connectors and click Add Custom Connector. I'll paste the LinkedIn ads MCP URL and give it a name. With the connector added, I can now start a new chat. I'm going to ask Claude for something substantial, a full LinkedIn ads performance report. I'll request an in-depth report covering account health, campaign results, ad level effectiveness, targeting and audience analysis, creative performance, budget distribution, and optimization recommendations. Claude is now thinking through the analysis framework and starting to query the LinkedIn ads data. It's orchestrating data retrieval across multiple analytics dimensions. The system is pulling campaign structure and performance data. Claude found 2 campaigns and is now systematically extracting data across campaigns, creatives, and analytics. Claude has generated a comprehensive performance report. On the left, you can see the full summary with sections for executive summary, account health, campaign results, ad level effectiveness, and targeting analysis. The report includes detailed tables comparing creative performance, video completion rates, and budget reallocation recommendations. All of this was generated directly from your LinkedIn ads data through the MCP connection, ready to download as a document.